Hey guys, this is Ramya and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So today is going to be Ajio haul which I did recently, and I bought tops which were all under 600 or 700 rupees and they are all of good quality. And this time I shopped on Ajio via Cashkaro.com. And what Cashkaro is, I think you must be knowing already, but if you don't know it, let me tell you guys. Cashkaro.com is a website which provides you some offers and cashbacks on their offers, and the offers are for Ajio.com, Myntra, Amazon, Nykaa and many more, even Shein.com. So what you get is that you get about that much cashback, whatever they're telling you guys, like what amount of percentage you're gonna get. Like for the Ajio, for example, when you shop on Ajio via Cashkaro.com, you get about 10% cashback on the total amount of order that you placed, and it comes back to your Cashkaro account. There are going to be two links in the description box. The first link is the sign up link. So if you do sign up with the link that is given under there, you are going to get 25 rupees cashback directly on your account. This way you can collect your cashback, and so when it reaches for the amount 250 rupees, you can directly transfer it to your bank account or any other option that they give you. And even if it exceeds that amount, like 1000, 2000, you can transfer it directly. So that's what I do all the freaking time, because I've been using it and I'm loving it, because the saving is a lot and it saves a lot of money. And you guys keep wondering if I'm rich or what. I am not rich. I just use Cashkaro.com to save a lot of money. And also guys, if you are an Android user, you can download the Cashkaro.com Cashkaro app. But if you are an iPhone user, that is an Apple phone, if you have an Apple phone, then you can sign up using the Cashkaro.com website, which again you can do it from the link that is given down below. So if you do download the Cashkaro app without that link, you are not gonna get 25 rupees. You have to use that link to get the 25 rupees bonus. You are not gonna get cashback if you get if you purchase directly from Ajio app. You have to go through Cashkaro.com, that is which I'll be explaining everything in the end, so that you guys don't get bored. And yeah, so yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just get into the haul. So the first item that I got is this one, and this is a multicolored crop kind of top, and this is how this one looks like. It's a beautiful, you can clearly see in the camera, it's so vibrant, it's so beautiful, and it's a perfect wear for the summer season which is about to come already in Jaipur. And yeah, this is how it is. The feel of the fabric is purely like cotton, and the size that I got in this one is M, and you have this much sleeves, and it has bell sleeves in the end. It's not exactly a crop top, it's more like a medium belly coverage top, and I don't remember the prices of these, so I'll be mentioning it on the screen, so make sure that you guys check that out. And even the links of all the tops will be in the description box for you guys to check out. That would be below the Cashkaro links that I'll be providing. So yeah, it would be somewhere over there, so do check that out. The next summer top that I got is this one. Again, this one I guess was the most cheapest one out of all. Like it was about 350 or 300, I don't exactly remember, but yeah, this one was the most cheapest one out of all, and the quality is still so good. Like I've always been so impressed with Ajio.com, because they, even with their lowest prices, they give you quality product, and that is something I really appreciate in online websites. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's a off shoulder kind of like a, you know, with straps and off shoulder kind of top with just strap to hold on to your shoulders, which is here. And the best thing is that you can adjust the straps here, so it stays according to the deepness you want in the front. And then again, it has a little bit of elastic in the front, so if you do have heavy bust, it's not going to look bad, or it's not going to look very clingy or tight on you. So it's going to look pretty decent there. At the top side, it looks a little bit like a, you know, crunchy finish, and it's not like a plain finish, it's like some kind of crunchiness over there. And then you have these tying things going on, and it's a really beautiful and a cute top. The next top that I got is this periwinkle blue top. It's kind of like a chiffon georgette top, so it is going to be sheer, and so you will have to wear something inside, be it your tube top, be it your tank top, or be it your camisole. So yeah, that's something you have to get for yourself, and they're not going to provide you. But then again, the quality is really nice, and I got this one specially because of the sleeves. Just look how cute the sleeves are, and I just loved it. It's gonna look so flattering, I am totally sure. And the collar that we have is a stand collar with this ribbon thing going on, and it's just amazing on how cute and kind of like an office wear look it gives. The next one is a little bit out of my comfort zone because I haven't worn this like ever, and I'm a little bit tensed on how it's gonna look on me. But then again, and I think this was the most pricey item. I have no idea why. Maybe because these kind of fabric do takes a lot of work to stitch, and that is this sheer top. And I've been seeing a lot of vloggers wearing this, and I really wanted something like this for my own, and that's why I got this. Well, the original price it's 1800, that is 17.99, and the size that I got is M in this one. And to be very honest, I really like how this one looks. The stitching, the finishing, and everything is so pretty, and there are some embroidery work going on in the front, and that just looks super adorable. And excuse the voices that's going in the background because that's my dog and she's chewing all the plastic cover. Yeah, so you can style this one with some tank tops or even tube tops, or you can even wear bralette and it will look super cool on top of that. The next top that I got is my sister's favorite, and she wanted me to get this one. So yeah, this is her favorite, although it's a very comfy and a very good looking color, but I'm not sure how this is gonna feel. Okay, and now my cuckoo is playing in the background, so sorry about that. And yeah, this is how it is, and it's a very decent, again, a very nice casual looking top. And all the tops that I showed you guys are perfect for the summer. They are very breathable, they are very nice material clothings, and that's why I wanted to show you guys this time, because I keep on shopping from Aji.com and I never show you guys what I get. So this time I thought, let's just do a haul, because you love my hauls, especially on the other channel that I do. So the sleeves are very boxy and very huge, as you guys can see, and at the end it has this closure. That means it has this elastic cuffling, which is gonna give an illusion of a balloon top. Is it a balloon sleeve or bubble sleeve? I'm not sure, and I know you guys will criticize me, so I'm gonna leave it to you to decide what this is called. And yeah, this is how it is. It's not a very huge or a long top either. It's like till your waist. The last top that I got is this one, which is totally, again, something that I don't usually wear, and that is this black good looking top. And this one is in complete chicken work fabric, and I don't know if it's called chicken work or just some lace work, I don't know. And yeah, this is how it is. It's a very boxy top as well, and this one is a bit more on the shorter length. That is, it's just gonna cover your belly and that's it. Plus it is completely sheer, so you have to wear inside something inside, like a tube top or anything. Neckline is just adorable. As you guys can see, it's a high neckline, and it has these ruffles going on, and at the back you have this button to close your neckline so that you can get in the top, and then you can close it so that it stays fit and snug. It has these super cute work in the sides here. So yeah, that concludes my haul, guys, and now let's just talk about how I placed my order on Ajio via Cashkaro, so that you guys can understand the entire concept as well, like I did, and so that you guys can purchase your items with the proper guidelines. So basically what you have to do is, first of all, you have to download the Cashkaro app, right? And for that you are gonna go through the link that is given in my description box, and the first link is a sign up link, and there you will get the link. And when you click on that link, you will redirect to your Google Play Store or the website, that is the Google Chrome or whatever browser you are using. And from there you have to download either the app, that is the Cashkaro app, on your Android phone. But if you're an iOS or an Apple user, you are just gonna download it. You're just gonna go to the Cashkaro website through that link, and then sign up using sign up on the website, and then you will just fill everything up, like name, email, phone number, and as well as you will see that it has been referred by me, so they'll know that they have to give you 25 rupees bonus after that, and you just have to finish all that up. When you are logged in your account, you will see that you have 25 rupees instant bonus in your my earnings portion, and that would be cashback earnings. And then you will see a list of offers that are going on in the Cashkaro.com. It can be Ajio, it can be Myntra, it can be Nykaa or Amazon, or even Shein, and you'll see a lot of options there. So when you click on the Ajio offer, that shows that they are giving away 10% cashback, like in flat 10% cashback. So what you have to do is just click on that offer, activate that offer, and this will redirect you directly to the Ajio website and not the app. Then you just have to put all the items that you want in your cart, and then finalize your order and then place your order. Go back to your Cash Karo account. You will see in your My Earnings tab that you have received your cashback. So that's just amazing. The minimum amount to transfer to your bank account should be 250 rupees. So if it's above 250, you can directly transfer it to your bank account. Also, they have this WhatsApp group or a WhatsApp subscription that on which you can just subscribe to that number, and you can get information about the new offers that is going on, or even just the current or the present offers that's been going on. It's going to be somewhere over here or in the description box, and all you have to do is just send hi to that number and you'll get subscribed. And also, when you subscribe to this WhatsApp number, 10 lucky winners out of you are gonna get a voucher of about 1000 rupees for Amazon, Myntra or Shein. And yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn that notification bell button for more DIY and fun haul videos like these. Yeah, if you want to follow me on Instagram, that is right over here, and my Facebook right over here. Do that and we'll chat over there. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.